Hi guys, so I thought we'd give you a quick walk around of where we got to yesterday. As you can see, the car's got a lot of bits missing. However, we've started on our distribution board in the back, or control board. That's got the basics wired up, and as you can see, we're going to multi-ways. We always make it so these boards are easy enough to remove, so there'll be 3 multi-ways. There's a sync connector there which we'll worry about later, and then 2 battery terminals, and the board comes out. We've got trunking running underneath this wheel arch because there's not really any good way through here. The floor's been removed at some point. Somebody's dynamated it and then put down lining carpet. Not done a really great job of it. Normally we'd come through along with those harnesses there, but yeah, there's no way to do it, so we've just tucked as close there, and if we need to unpick the bit of wooden boot floor that we've got with this just a little bit and trim it to make that conduit fit, then we will. So we've got no lights in yet, but we are getting there. So we have now, rather than in that mess there, we have our light bar connector here. So this will go again into another harness, and that will go down. That probably will follow these. That actually feels like it's been monkeyed with a bit. That's the unused wheeling connector. The centre console now is a lot neater. That is all of the wiring in the centre console now. That's done. So that's good. We've got the mysterious relay down there we need to check. And then those dash pods have to come out and they need to go up there, which is probably one of the next jobs. We'll start making up the rear harness. We've got some Vertex pods to go up there. So what we'll do is make up a nice harness. There may be a harness in here. I need to find out, because a lot of this is police harness, so that could be what that is. So we'll need to check that. But yeah, other than that, that's where we are on it. It's quite a ways along, and hopefully it will be powered up in the next hour for the first time, and we can start powering circuits up, making sure things are working. What's great with this vehicle, and if you're doing a conversion on one of these or recommissioning them, is this connector down here. So we have a PCIM here, and then we have this connector. Now normally you would have to pick up your lighting, your ignition, your horn ring, your headlights, and all of those from various places. So quite often you'd pick your headlights up from the side lights down there, you'd pick your horn up down there, pick your ignition feed up there, and then you'd also need, in the case of this vehicle, 2 headlight flashes as well to flash the lights. That grey module there does all of that for you, and literally that connector there contains all of the signals I need, and then that's for our new dash pods, which we'll need to work those out, how we're going to do those. But yeah, it's much easier with that module there. That has saved a half day of wiring at least, half day of wiring, and then trying to work out how Chrysler have actually switched the horn. Need to work out how to get those pads out, and then we've got a little bit of 3D printing to do. But yeah, I'm happy with where we are, and we're definitely getting somewhere. This is a mystery relay. I need to check, having cut all of the dodgy power feeds now, I need to check to see if that's still energized, because it was. It has failed at some point, whatever it does. You can see the fuse is just in pieces. But yeah, check, see if that's live now actually, and then I won't put that in if we don't need to. Anyway, that's where we are.